Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play GBA Lite. First, you will need to download the GBA Lite application from your device's App Store. This free emulator allows you to enjoy classic Game Boy Advance games on your mobile device. Make sure your device meets the minimum operating system requirements, typically Android 6.0 or higher. Once installed, you'll need to locate your game ROM files and transfer them to a designated folder on your device, ready for the next step. Now that you have the app installed and your ROMs ready, open GBA Lite. The app will likely ask for storage permissions. Please grant these so it can access your game files. Next, use the built-in file browser feature to scan your device for your Game Boy Advance ROMs. The app is designed to quickly find compatible files, usually within a few seconds. Once the scan is complete, your games will appear in a list. Simply tap on a game to load it and start playing. To enhance your gaming experience, GBA Lite offers extensive control customization. Navigate to the Settings menu within the application. Here, you can adjust the on-screen button layout, moving buttons to your preferred positions and resizing them for optimal comfort. Many players find a larger D-pad and action buttons improve gameplay. For an even more authentic feel, consider connecting an external Bluetooth controller. The app supports most standard gamepads, providing a more tactile and responsive way to play your favorite titles. GBA Lite includes several advanced features to improve your gaming. One crucial feature is Save States, allowing you to instantly save and load your game progress at any point, not just at in-game save points. This is incredibly useful for challenging sections. You can also use the fast-forward option to speed through tedious parts or cutscenes, often at 2 times or 4 times the normal speed. Finally, explore video and audio settings to fine-tune your display and sound preferences for a truly personalized experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.